everyone, what's up? This is Shika and welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to talk about new Figma updates announced in Config. The video is divided into two parts. This is part 1. Here we'll deep dive into new exciting features announced by Figma, such as Figma Buzz and Figma Draw. So let's get started.
Directly log into Figma, and at the top menu section you can see different options like design, FigJam, slides, buzz. So we can go to buzz right now. Alright, let's start with Figma Buzz. And honestly, it's a total surprise. Think of Figma Buzz as a Figma answer to Canva. Yup, it now comes packed with features we usually use in Canva, like quick social media posts, templates, drag and drop elements, and easy visuals for non-designers. So if you are someone who loved the simplicity of Canva but always wanted to stay inside the Figma ecosystem, Buzz is for you. You can now create things like Instagram posts, flyers, and banners all super fast and quickly, just like you used in Canva. It's perfect for marketers, content creators, and even clients who want to make quick changes without touching your main Figma files. Pretty cool, right? So let's start making one travel banner. Let's choose this banner. So as you can see over here, this is the image, text, and the logo. For example, if I want to create a Hawa Mahal advertisement web banner, let's create it. So I have added the Hawa Mahal image and the text, even the subtitle. So in the insert section, there are different libraries over here. For example, let's choose Isn't it looking great, right? So the next feature is Figma Draw. So the file you can get through the Figma community. You can search for Figma Draw. So Figma has introduced new brushes and strokes into the design panel. First, we'll experiment with the brushes of Figma. So let's create one loop. Yeah, it's easy. Side by side, you can also try with me. So you can see the leaf is created, and if you want to add the color in the leaf, for example green, you can fill it over here like. Even you can change the brush strokes, like from this to this and to this. Also, let's change the stem colors. Even you can adjust the points. this is the example of what I have done right now, but you can do more good by exploring the features. So the next tool we will explore about is Shape Builder tool. Let's take an example. We'll take a combination of stars. And select all the stars. Press enter. You can see the Shape Builder tool over here. You can press M2 and then you can select the object, select the part which you want to make it separated. So now let's see. So these part is separated now. By using this you can create any logo or anything that you want. By using this you can create any creative logo. Now the next tool we'll explore about is text on path. So for example, this is the line art, and if we want to create a path, you can go to the text section and you can click the line path. For example, if we can enter zoom, we paste the same text. Even you can adjust the spacing of the text, and you can see the text is in the shape form right now. Let's try for this one. Same for this, you can adjust the spacing if you want. And yeah, it's now converted into the shape. So that's it for today. Thank you.
Thank you for watching the video till the end, and please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rika Chaurasia. Thank you. You can achieve your goals and dreams. Bye bye.